Hi, my name is Dan Pontefract. Welcome to another episode of Management Musings. Today, 4 key terms I want to see eradicated from the organization, or at least thought about in terms of maybe getting rid of. Now, here's the deal, right? Ever since the pandemic hit, we've been on Zoom meetings and WebEx and Microsoft Teams, and we've seen a lot of two-dimensional video screens for the better part of, a year and a half. And although eventually we are going to get back to some of this, maybe hybrid with, what we had in the previous screen, here's the term we need to get rid of right now. That term is return to work. We have been working, so stop calling your programs return to work. Just because of a pandemic, you've been working, haven't you? Maybe you're building out a hybrid work model, a flexible work model, whatever the case may be, but please, right now, stop calling it return to work. It's not helpful. Okay, next one up here. Now, often in our organizations, we talk about the silos, right? The stovepipes. These people don't talk to these people hoard information, etc. So what's the term I want you to sort of eradicate? Divisions. If you have created in your organization the name of a business unit being called the division, the marketing division, the operations division, the IT division, well, guess what? The word literally means to divide. So maybe think about replacing divisions with business unit or group or something like that. Because when we divide, it creates silos. All right, next up. At war, what is a really painful exercise to do is when the medics have to come in and assess a situation where there are casualties and people who have been maimed. And what do? They have to decide who gets to live and who doesn't. It is an awful thing to think about. What's the word that particularly finance departments I want you to stop using right now? Triage. Stop triaging the budget. Stop triaging the strategic plan. Triage means something horrible, and words matter. So please, from now on, do not use the word triage. Last one. All right. Now, I don't know about you, but every now and then I get ill. Can't go to work. I don't want to suffer from presenteeism, right? Get big headaches. So why is it that we continue to say, oh, I'm going to take a sick day? Sick days. You're entitled to so many sick days. I think we need to flip this around. Health days. Let's work on health days because we're working on our health, not sick. With that, my name is Dan Pontefract. I put out a book recently called Lead, Care, Win, How to Become a Leader Who Matters. 9 super easy, practical leadership lessons that hopefully will help you become a leader who matters. Thanks for watching.